Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes. How are you today?
Good.
You're good. Oh, you're smiling today. It seems like you're very happy. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you start your school already in Vietnam? Start?
Yes. Start.
Oh, all right. Okay, so it's the same here in my country. We will also start our class tomorrow. So tomorrow is the start of our school, normal school in the Philippines. Okay. So Lynn, I will share to you the screen so we can start now with our lesson for this evening. All right. So we have here Lynn for Fun for Starters, Unit 35. Lynn, what is Unit 35 all about? Could you please read it to teacher?
What's who and where?
Okay, what, who, and where. So we have here the WH question. What, who, and where. Okay, so we have here questions form. So Lian, could you please read the words in blue color? Please read the words in blue. First word is? Read the word in blue.
What is us to ask about classic? Thing for animal object.
Okay, next. Next blue one.
Where is us to ask about place was season.
Okay,
When
next.
when is us to ask to time occasion
Mhm.
moment.
Next.
Who is us to ask about future present.
Okay, so we have here the WH question, Lynn. What? If you ask for a specific thing, person, animal, or object, use what? If you want to know or to ask question about a place or a position, use where. Okay, where is my bag? Where do you live? Oh, what? Okay, where did you go? So I am asking for your place. Where is my bag? I am asking for the position. Next, Lynn, if we use the word when, it is used to ask time, occasion, or moment, okay? When is your birthday? When will you come here? When are you coming back? Okay, that's when. Asking time, occasion, moment. And Lynn, we use the question who to ask a person, okay? Who is your friend? Who are your family, your parents, okay? If you want to know a person, ask who. So what, where, when, and who. Now here, Lynn, I want you to look at number letter A. Complete the question, what, who, what, and where, and then write the answer to the question, Lynn. Come on, Lynn.
Minutes.
Okay, please read, Lynn. Who?
Who's this? Tony. What's this? A camera. Where's the camera? It's Tony's place.
Okay, let's check. Who's this? Tony. What's this? It's a camera. Where's the camera? In Tony's hands. Very good, Lynn. Perfect. Great work, Lynn. You did great. Okay, great job. So here, Lynn, so write the answer to this question numbers 1, 2, and 3.
Teacher, goodness.
Okay, please read, Lynn, the question and the answer.
For this, Alice. Was she lost in her hand? A flower. Where's the shell under her back?
Okay, let's check. Who's this? The answer is, it's Alex. Correct. What's she got in her hand? It's a flower. Correct. And where's the shell? It's on her bag. Very good, Lynn. Great work. You know the answer to the question. Who, what, and where. Great work. Okay. So here, Lynn, there are different useful ways to help you remember a word's spelling, meaning, and pronunciation. So using word pictures and spelling patterns like where, here, or there can really support learning. Okay, so here, Lynn, look at the question. What is the question, Lynn? Number 1. Please read.
Question was very.
This one. WH. What do you think is that? Please read. What is this? Who's this?
Who's
Come on.
this?
What's the answer? What's the
Tony.
answer? Tony. Next.
What's that?
Oh, what's the answer? What's that, Tony? It's a...
This is a hat.
Oh, next.
Where's your crocodile?
Read here. Come on. Here or there. Now look at here, Lynn.
Here.
Okay, here Lynn talks about the things that is near to us. And if we say there, it talks about things that are further or away from us. If it's far, use there. If it's near, use here. Okay? So look at here, Lynn. We also have here this and that. Okay? This, Lynn, is used for singular, only one object that is near. Example, look at here. This is my headband, okay? This is near to me, so I will say this. If it's far from teacher, far, I will say that, okay? Near this. far that. All right, Lynn, look at the picture. So please read, Lynn. These girls, go.
These girls are friends. These
Their
names are
names.
Anne and Sue. These girls are happy, and this is Sue's mom. Is she happy or angry?
Okay. These girls are friends. Their name is Anne and Sue. These girls are happy, and this is Sue's mom. Can you see Sue's mom? Can you see it?
Yes,
Okay, look at the face of Sue's mom. Is she happy or she's angry?
she's angry.
Why do you think she's angry? Why do you think he's angry, Lynn?
Mm,
Because?
Well, well, so the lunch is
Look at the things.
zero.
Okay, so look at there. Sue's mom is angry because look at the things of Sue. It's anywhere. Can you see it? It's anywhere. Okay, Lynn, I want you to write where or who to the question.
Special happiness.
Okay, please read the question, Lynn.
Who's the angry? What are the girls? Where are the clothes? Who's the playing with a doll?
Okay, number one, who is angry, correct? Two, what are, or it's not what, Lynn, it's where are the girls? You will not say what are the girls. Okay, where are the girls? Next, where are the clothes, correct? And who's playing with the dog? Very good, Lynn. One mistake, not bad. Okay, not bad. All right, so here, Lynn, let's do this. Okay, so Lynn, now choose using the word box to the answer. Now, Lynn, look at the picture. Who's angry? Who's angry, Lynn?
It's the girl, the
It's the
mother.
girl. It's the mother. Where are the girls, Lynn? The girls
In
are where?
Sue's bedroom.
In Sue's bedroom. Next, where are the clothes?
On the floors.
And who is playing with the doll?
The girl.
Very good. Okay, so Lynn, I want you to write one word answer for this number, okay? Go.
Picture happiness.
All right, Lynn, please read Lynn, number two. Try. Where?
Where are the children now?
Clothes.
Under the bed.
Under the bed.
Clothes.
Next.
Where are the books now? Is the bookcase.
Next.
Rose is sitting on the bed. The girl.
8.
Rose is opening the cupboard. The mother.
Okay, let's check. So where are the clothes now? The answer number 5 is under the bed. 6, where are the books now? It's in the, is it on the bookcase? It's in the cupboard. We call it cupboard, Lynn. Next, who is sitting on the bed? It's the girls. There are 2 girls. Next, so 8, who is opening the cupboard? It's mother. Okay, great work again, Lynn. Not so bad. Okay, very good. Now here, Lynn, which picture? So I have here pictures 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, Lynn, the girl is standing. What picture? Picture number? The girl is standing. Picture number?
Picture number 2.
Oh, wait. Okay, Lynn, just write the answer, Lynn. Beside. Okay, go.
The is the girl is standing.
Okay, Lynn, just write the letter, right? Just write the number. For example, the girls are standing. It's picture number. Again, Lynn, where are the girls standing? Picture number.
Picture number 2.
Next, the mother is pointing. Where is number? What number? Pointing mother.
Picture number 1.
Okay, correct. Next, number 3. Read number 3. One cupboard door is closed. Where is it? One cupboard door is closed. Picture number?
Picture number 2.
Correct. Next, the clothes are on the floor.
Picture number 1.
Is it number 1? Yes, it is. Next, the books are in the cupboard.
Picture number 2.
Correct. The girls are playing with dolls.
Picture number 1 and 2.
Correct. The cupboard doors are open. Cupboard doors are open. What is it? Cupboard doors are open. Picture number?
Picture number 1.
Okay, correct. Next, there are 3 pictures on the wall. There are 3 pictures on the wall. What picture is that?
Picture 1, 2, and 3.
Very good. Okay, with me. Lynn, could you please enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn? We will now go to activity letter E.